Hello all and welcome to this AWS tutorial. In our tutorial today, I will provide a brief overview followed by a demo on Amazon Titan Image Generator G1 version 1. These are some reference URLs that I have enlisted over here. I would certainly recommend that you visit these URLs for additional information on this particular topic. I will have these URLs posted in the description of this video. So what is Amazon Titan Image Generator G1 version 1? It is a foundational model from the Amazon Titan family that was exclusively developed for Amazon Bedrock. And this particular model uses text prompts to generate images. So let's say if you go for an interview and someone asks you, hey, what is Amazon Titan Image Generator G1, or after this particular overview, and if you've played around with this particular model as well, if someone asks you that as to what this is all about, in very simple words, you can say that it's a foundational model from the Amazon Titan family that was developed for Amazon Bedrock. And most importantly, it uses text prompts to generate images. So that's the simplest definition that you can give anyone. Now, this particular model is pre-trained on large data sets to enable the content creator to develop images with high efficiency. You can edit generated or existing images using text prompts. You can configure image dimensions, specify the number of image variations you want the model to generate. So all of these features are available. You can also customize the model using your company data to produce images that are consistent with your company's brand and style. So now let us look at some key features of this particular model. So by now you've probably understood that, okay, this model takes a text prompt and then using the text prompt, it generates an image, and that is precisely correct. So let's say when I was playing this model and I told the model, hey, I want an elephant. This is my text prompt. So it's going to take that text prompt and convert that text prompt to an image. So it gave me this image, an elephant. Hey, you asked elephant, I'm giving you an elephant. Very simple, very straightforward. Then I said, okay, I want to generate variations of this particular image. So these are the different variations that were generated and shared with me. But when this image was generated, I was not very happy with the elephant that I got. Then I changed my mind and I said, okay, I still want an elephant, but I want my elephant to have longer tusks and I want to see both the ears. If you see over here in this image, this particular elephant, the tusks are not long and I cannot see the second ear. But I want my image to have both the ears or both the ears visible, and I want longer tusks. So the prompt that I gave was longer tusks with both ears, and I put this box around. You see this box over here in this image? I put that box around and said that I want you to make changes in that masked area that I have identified, and I want to see longer tusks, and I want you to go ahead and showcase the other ear as well. So as for my text prompt, it made the required changes. Another thing that this particular model enables you to do is it allows you to make in-painting changes. In-painting is basically the subject of the image. So let's say if you want to add, like a baby elephant. For example, I said add baby and mother elephant. So it went ahead and it saw that, hey, an elephant is already there. I already gave it a prompt to add another ear and longer tusks and all that. So it kept that. And then it went ahead and added a baby elephant. Let's say I said that I was done with elephants and let's move away from elephants and let's go ahead and, get some other animal. Let's say I want a giraffe. So I can say add a giraffe. And again, I've highlighted the area as you can see over here. This is the masked area, the box. And you will see that it basically just went ahead and replaced the elephant with a giraffe. So that is called as in-painting changes. That means it can keep the the background of the image same, but change the subject or the in-painting of that particular image. Similarly, it can make out-painting changes as well. So in the previous images, if you see over here, the trees are green in color. Now, for those guys who live in, like North America, like where I live, or in certain northern parts of the world, you do experience an autumn season. And during autumn, leaves and change their colors. And you will see that they turn from green to this orangish shade. So, what I am telling this particular model is that I want to see my elephants, but I want to see my elephants in the autumn season. So, I'm telling it basically via text prompt is that add autumn season. And you can see that it went ahead and made those changes and overlaid some autumn shades on top of the trees. So this is how you can go about making some outpainting changes as well. Now let us look at some benefits of this particular model. First and foremost, you can create studio quality images. It is low cost. It will just cost you a few pennies to create the image of your choice or of your preferences. And yeah, let's say if you are one of those who wants to, let's see, a polar bear in the South African desert, you can certainly do that as well. And most importantly, it allows you to develop multiple variations in very less time. Now, what are some use cases where you can use this particular model? Of course, it is used to, convert text or generate images from text, image editing, generating image variations. But the industry where this can be used significantly is advertising, e-commerce, media, and entertainment. Anywhere where you are generating images and you want studio quality images at a very low cost. Of course, a company or an organization, as I mentioned earlier, also during the overview, can use this particular model to generate images as per their brand and style. This is the URL that will give you pricing for this particular model. Please ensure that you visit the URL to get the latest and the greatest pricing information. So now it's a demo time. So let me switch to my Amazon console. So this is my Amazon console. I'm already logged in. This is Amazon Bedrock where my mouse is right now. So I'm going to click on Amazon Bedrock. Remember that this particular model is part of the Amazon title family that was developed for Amazon Bedrock. And over here, you will see image. And now I'm in this image playground. And here, if you click on select model, it will allow you to select different models. So the model that I'm going to use today is Amazon Titan Image Generator G1 version 1. So I'm going to select this particular model and apply. Of course, please note that using this particular model can incur charges. So don't go crazy with it. Look at the pricing information. While I'm doing this, the pricing information, I think, was kind of posted over there. I will have to go and double check in case you want to use it. Check the pricing information first before you continue further ahead and go crazy with the generating images. I mean, once you start using this particular model, it's a lot of fun and you would want to generate multiple images with this. Now, for this particular demo, what I have done is that I have come up with certain text prompts. So I'm going to use these text prompts to generate images. So the first text prompt that I'm going to use is I want a dog riding a bike. So I'm going to post this over here and click on run. And now the model is going to generate an image for me. In fact, multiple images because it will also generate some variations. Now be patient while working with this model. From my experience, what I've seen is that it takes anywhere between 10 to 30 seconds as well to come up with an image. So don't get frustrated, don't get impatient. It takes a little while, but eventually the image does come. So there it is. It has generated 3 images, 3 variations as per my request, that dog riding a bike. Now, let's say I'm going to select this particular image. And again, over here, if you want to use this as a reference image or generate variations from using this particular image, you can click on generate variations as well. So now, if you see, my reference image over here was set as the image that I clicked on. And now using this particular image, it is trying to generate variations for me. So let us see what it comes up with. Again, it's working, so it's going to take some time. Now we are seeing that after I gave it a reference image, and while it is generating variations, it took its own sweet little time to come back with different variations. Now, these are the 3 different variations that it came up with using the reference image that I selected. So let us select one of the images. I'm going to go ahead and select, let's say, I'm going to select this image. Okay, so I'm going to say use this as a reference image, which is great. And now we will edit this particular image. So now I'm going to say add sunglasses. So I want this dog to wear sunglasses. I'm going to move this over here, move my mast prompt up over here. And try to go and get it as much as close as possible. So there it is. Okay, now I'm going to say add sunglasses and click on run. So hopefully it understands what I am telling it to do, and it ensures that the dog is wearing sunglasses. Okay, so it understood what I said and it added sunglasses, and now my dog is looking quite cool. The next thing that we are going to do is we are going to add some flowers. Let's say my dog is going out on a date, and it would be rude not to take something. So here it is. Has this, my dog has this basket on his bike. And I'm going to say that I want you to add some flowers. So let's see what it does with my text prompt. So essentially, I would want it to add flowers to that basket, or at least add some flowers over there so that my dog can now carry flowers on his date. Awesome. So we have a nice bouquet of flowers and my dog is all set to go on his date. Now, let's say if you want to have autumn season, we will try for that. So first, let me move this somewhere here where there are trees. So let me see if this moves here. Okay, okay. And this is where my trees are. And I'm going to say autumn season. And let's see, click on run and let's see what it does. My dog is going out on a date with a bouquet of flowers in autumn. So hopefully it should understand that I want the trees to have autumn colors, and it should add some tints of, there you go, orange and yellow and the beautiful autumn colors. So it understood what my text prompt was and it added autumn colors to my image. And finally, my dog is happy and he wants to paint the town red while he's going out on the date. So let's go ahead and do that. So we have some houses over here. And how about if I want these houses to be red in color. So I'm going to say paint the houses red. And hopefully it understands this and paints them red. So let's see what it does. So click on run again. And there you go. It painted one of the first houses red in color. So it gave some shades of red. So it understood that I wanted the houses with some red wall or a window or whatever red that it could get. So hopefully this demo was helpful. As you can see, this can be a lot of fun. You can literally have your imagination run wild. And I have played around this with a lot. You can pretty much generate image of anything. You, as I said earlier, you can have a polar bear in a South African desert, or you could have camels, running around in Alaska. So anything is possible. Your imagination can run completely wild. So use your creativity, use your imagination, play around with this model, see what all you come up with, and do post your comments. This is it from me today, and I will see you shortly in some other tutorial. Till then, take care. Bye bye.